And today I would like to introduce you to Guru Jonathan, our PIF founder.
Hi, I'm Jonathan. Okay, I started PIF out of passion, the passion for IPO. So I became an IPO freak because, got to know a few listed companies in my early 30s, and I was thinking how they become public listed company bosses. And I went on the search. I spent a lot of time and money, effort in learning about the road towards what IPO. And then, of course, during the process, I learned from listed company bosses, I learned from IPO experts, I attended a lot of training program and ended up, falling in love with IPO. So, PIF was founded because of my passion my passion and love for IPOs,
And Guru Jonathan, can you share with me some of the setbacks that you had in the past?
As an entrepreneur for so many years, I think we have some setbacks in terms of getting the talent that you want, and of course getting the capital to grow the business. So sometimes we are stuck with cash flow issues. Sometimes we have talent that we need. So major setbacks would be in terms of capital and money capital and human capital. These are two major setbacks. Yeah.
And how did you overcome these setbacks?
A major SME like me, many of us, tries all ways and means. I think the money capital will be like find money from the banks, getting loans and so on. Until it's equity financing. Like 10 years ago, I think we have a big breakthrough. We were able to raise capital, from investors.
So do you have any mentors?
Of course, I have quite a different type of mentors, although, attending training programs. So I think attend a lot of training, but those trainers and speakers give us a lot of insights into, how to grow a business, capital, about capital entrepreneurship, how to raise funds from investors and so on. And also, some capital market experts who provide mentorship to me. So I often look for these people to help myself in some guidance into how to achieve fundraising and so on. Yeah. Including CFOs and mentors in helping to build up PIF.
And our last takeaway message. So what message would you like to share with aspiring entrepreneurs?
So we find that entrepreneurs who have that type of strong motivation and aspiration are the ones that is able to have better achievements. So these are the ones with strong motivation, and they are able to overcome their obstacles, clear obstacles and so on and so forth. So being driven and ambitious. I think, this is something where I find that some entrepreneurs, they have it, some are lesser. But can ambition and drive be cultivated? I think yes and no. I see that some entrepreneurs, they get motivation from, the top ones, some of them through learn and grow. So I believe that entrepreneurship can be cultivated as well, if let's say they are keen to learn.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Cheers.